Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So we're all told our 20s are for fun, right? Living it up, figuring things out. And yeah, that's totally true. But what if I told you that those same 20s, the ones we often think of as just a playground, are actually the most critical decade for setting yourself up for some serious financial freedom down the line? It sounds a bit intense, I know, but stick with me because this is where the magic really happens, and honestly, it's something I wish I'd understood much sooner. Think about it. You've got time on your side, which is arguably the most powerful asset you can possess when it comes to building wealth. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight, although some people do strike it incredibly rich. It's about making smart strategic moves now that compound over decades. What makes this really interesting is that most people, myself included for a long time, don't see their 20s as this crucial wealth-building phase. We're more focused on immediate gratification, which is understandable, but it's a bit like planting a seed and then expecting a full-grown tree next week. Just doesn't work that way. From my perspective, the biggest misconception is that you need a ton of money to start investing or saving seriously. That's just not true. Even small, consistent contributions in your 20s can grow into substantial sums thanks to the power of compounding. What many people don't realize is that the earlier you start, the less you actually have to put in later to reach the same goal. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets, and it picks up speed. Starting small and early is key. One thing that immediately stands out is the idea of intentionality. It's not just about earning money. It's about what you do with that money. Are you letting it sit in a low-interest savings account? Or are you making it work for you? Personally, I think this is where the real difference is made. It's about shifting your mindset from just spending to actively growing your financial future. This might mean making sacrifices, sure, but the long-term payoff is immense. It's about building a foundation that allows you to have more choices and less stress later in life. If you take a step back and think about it, the habits you form in your 20s tend to stick. So, if you can build a habit of saving and investing, even if it's just a small percentage of your income, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of financial success. This isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a future where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, take risks, and live life on your own terms. It's a powerful concept, and one that I believe is absolutely essential for anyone looking to build serious wealth, not just in their 20s, but for their entire lives.